There's something deeply comforting about the ritual of breakfast. The warmth of the morning light, the smell of sizzling food, the sound of the world slowly waking up. For many, breakfast meats are a central part of this morning tradition. But beyond the satisfying crunch of bacon or the tender juiciness of sausage, what makes these meats truly nourishing for the body? How do we choose the healthiest options, the ones that fuel our body with the right nutrients, without the excess fat, sodium, or sugar? It's a question that lingers, especially as we come to realize that not all breakfast meats are created equal. The idea of a healthy breakfast meat can feel like an oxymoron, a combination of comfort and nutrition, indulgence and balance. Yet, it is possible to indulge in the flavors and textures we love without sacrificing the health of our bodies. The key is in choosing meats that are higher in protein, lower in saturated fat, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Breakfast meats that don't just fill us up, but fuel us, leaving us with sustained energy and a strong start to the day. First on the list is chicken, a lean protein that is often overlooked in the realm of breakfast meats. Chicken breast, especially when it's skinless, is a powerhouse of protein, delivering about 25 grams in just 3 ounces. With only 2.6 grams of total fat and minimal saturated fat, chicken is one of the healthiest options when it comes to breakfast meats. It's rich in B vitamins, which help your body produce energy and support your metabolism. Whether you choose grilled chicken, a chicken sausage, or even a chicken breast scramble, this simple, unassuming meat provides a solid foundation for the start of your day. The best part? It's versatile. Paired with a slice of whole grain toast or nestled into a warm breakfast burrito, it provides the perfect balance of lean protein and nutrients that support long-lasting energy throughout the morning. Next comes turkey, a meat that shares many of the same benefits as chicken, but with a little more depth in flavor. Turkey is high in protein, just like chicken, but it's also lower in fat compared to beef and pork. Turkey breast, especially, is packed with B vitamins, including vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in brain and nervous system health. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and other cognitive issues. But turkey doesn't just support cognitive function, it's also rich in selenium, an essential mineral that helps protect your cells from damage, supports thyroid function, and plays a role in immune health. Whether in the form of turkey bacon or lean ground turkey patties, this breakfast meat offers a satisfying, nutrient-dense option that won't leave you feeling sluggish. Then we come to salmon, one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are vital for supporting brain function, reducing inflammation, and promoting heart health. Omega-3s are also essential for the synthesis of hormones that regulate mood, which is why eating omega-3 rich foods like salmon can have a profound effect on mental health. A breakfast featuring salmon, whether it's in the form of smoked salmon on a bagel or a hearty salmon patty, is not only delicious but also supports the health of your skin, eyes, and immune system. It's also rich in vitamin B12 and selenium, both of which are essential for optimal brain function and protecting cells from oxidative stress. By choosing salmon as part of your morning ritual, you're nourishing your body with the kinds of fats and nutrients that will keep you alert, focused, and energized. Now, lean beef may not always be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of healthy breakfast meats, but it can be a great option when prepared with care. Beef is higher in total and saturated fats than chicken or turkey, but it's also rich in nutrients like iron, zinc, and selenium, all of which are crucial for overall health. Zinc, in particular, plays a key role in immune function and cell growth, while iron supports energy levels and the production of red blood cells. When choosing beef for breakfast, opt for lean cuts like sirloin or flank steak, which have lower fat content than fattier cuts like ribeye. By grilling or broiling your beef, you can reduce the fat further while maintaining the rich, savory flavor that many people love. A small portion of lean beef paired with whole grains and vegetables offers a nutrient-dense start to your day. Moving down the list, we have liver, an often underrated breakfast meat. While it does contain more saturated fat than poultry or fish, liver is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with iron, zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and copper. In fact, a single serving of liver provides an astonishing 2,500% of the daily value for vitamin B12 and 891% of vitamin A. These nutrients support everything from immune health to vision, skin health, and wound healing. Liver is one of the few food sources of vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption and bone health. When braised or cooked properly, liver can make for a rich, savory addition to your breakfast, and while it may not be for everyone, those who enjoy it will find it to be one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Lastly, pork rounds out the list of healthy breakfast meats. While pork is higher in fat than poultry and fish, it also provides a rich source of B vitamins, zinc, and selenium, which help support the body's energy production and immune health. Pork has gotten a bad rap over the years, mainly due to processed cuts like bacon and sausages, which are often high in sodium, fat, and additives. However, opting for lean cuts of pork, such as pork tenderloin or lean ground pork, can provide a high-quality source of protein without the excess fat. Pairing pork with vegetables or whole grains can make for a balanced, satisfying breakfast that nourishes your body and sets you up for success throughout the day. When selecting the healthiest breakfast meats, it's important to pay attention to the source and quality of the meat you choose. Whole cuts of meat, which are less processed and contain fewer additives, are always the best option. Meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are packed with nutrients that support your body's energy levels and mental clarity, while providing the necessary protein to kickstart your metabolism. On the other hand, meats that are heavily processed or cured, like bacon, sausage, and deli meats, should be limited due to their high sodium content, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. As you build your ideal breakfast, remember that moderation is key. A balanced breakfast isn't about eliminating foods, but about choosing the right ones in the right amounts. Whole lean meats, like chicken, turkey, salmon, and pork, can be part of a nourishing morning meal that supports your health and provides lasting energy. When paired with whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats, these meats create the foundation for a balanced, satisfying breakfast that sets the tone for the rest of the day. Breakfast is more than just the first meal of the day. It's a chance to nourish your body, set your intentions, and fuel your mind. By choosing the healthiest breakfast meats, lean cuts rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. With every bite, you're not just eating for today, you're investing in your long-term health, vitality, and well-being. Stay balanced, stay mindful, stay radiant. This is Vital Dynasty. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Vital Dynasty.